Hello. Have you seen what has happened to the forest?
No. What has happened to the forest?
The forest has been screwed by the Yasi.
Oh dear. What is the Yasi? It does not sound like something the forest would want to be screwed by.
You are correct. The Yasi was a big storm that has really blown the shit out of the forest. The Yasi was a type of storm called the cyclone. It was a very large cyclone and was packing winds of about 300 kilometers per hour.
Holy crap. That is some pretty strong wind. It is no wonder that the forest got the shit blown out of it. Did it also blow the shit out of the people living in the forest?
Well, the Yasi has certainly scared the shit out of many of the people, even if it did not actually blow the shit out of them. The Yasi caused plenty of damage to the homes that the people live in and also to the buildings that the people work in.
I see. But would I be correct in assuming that many of the people will have the insurance to cover the kind of damage caused by the Yasi?
Yes, you would be correct. Most of the people do have the insurance.
So presumably the people have now repaired the damage that the Yasi did to the people's homes and the places the people work in.
No, you are incorrect in that assumption.
Oh? But the people have the insurance policies.
Yes, the people have the policies.
And the people have paid the premiums on the policies.
Yes, the people have paid the premiums on the policies.
And the policies which the people have paid the premiums on cover the kind of damage which has been caused by the Yasi?
Yes, the policies on which the people have paid the premiums do cover the kind of damage done by the Yasi.
So why have the people not repaired the damage to their homes and the places the people work in?
Because the insurance companies have not yet agreed to pay for the repairs to the people's homes and the places the people work in.
But how long ago did the Yasi happen?
The Yasi happened on the night of February the 2nd and 3rd.
But that is over 3 months ago. Surely by now the insurance companies will have agreed to the payments so that the people can repair their homes and the places the people work in.
You would have thought so. But, in fact, that is not the case. Indeed, many of the people are still having to live with tarpaulins over the roof of their house and without many of the possessions that were destroyed by the Yasi.
I see. Is the Australia some kind of third world basket case?
No, not at all. In fact, the Australia has one of the world's most successful economies at the present time.
Then is this perhaps some kind of weird screwed-up April Fool's joke played on the people by the insurance companies?
I think that is quite unlikely.
In that case, what possible justification can the insurance companies give for the delay in paying the people for the damage done?
The insurance companies are saying that they are very busy.
But do they not appreciate that many of the people are having to do it tough until the insurance companies pull their collective fingers out of their asses?
It would appear that they are not overly concerned about the people's plight. They are happy to remain with their fingers in their arses until their procedures and policies are strictly adhered to.
I am still rather confused.
It would appear quite likely that you are not the only one in that situation. Many of the people are also rather confused. Many of the people are also becoming quite angry.
That does not surprise me. I think that if I were in the same position as some of the people, I would be mightily pissed off myself. Do the insurance companies realize that their future business will depend upon the people continuing to pay the premiums on future policies?
I can only assume that they do realize that.
If that is the case, then why are they keeping their fingers in their asses and pissing the people off? Surely this will mean that the people will simply take their future business to other companies.
That is a good point. However, unfortunately for the people, it seems that any one of the insurance companies is very much like any other of the insurance companies. They all seem happy with their fingers in their arses while the people do it tough.
I see. This really does seem to be quite a pickle. It would appear that while the Yasi may have screwed the forest, it has been the insurance companies who have really screwed the people. I suppose that the people had better wish very hard that they do not have another cyclone like the Yasi anytime soon.
Yes, you have hit the nail on the head. For a rather obscure-looking animated animal with a very strange accent, you are very perceptive.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Goodbye.